Hey, welcome to my page. Hope you subscribe. But I'm going to be doing a utility conversion to a camper. Right here I got an 8.5 by 16 V nose. I got started so far. I got windows put in. There's the inside. Got the ceiling vents in. I had these professionally done because didn't have a welder and wasn't sure how to really do it, because my first build was with 2x4s and 2x2s. But right now the only thing I'm really waiting on is insulation. I bought this pre-cut stuff, but it ain't wide enough. I can use it in some spots, which I will. And but here's my power box I'm working on, since I'm waiting on my insulation. But stay tuned, and I'll show you guys how to for the first time builders like I am, because my first build I only had the power box, a 2000 watt inverter from Harbor Freight. I also had a charger in the DC fuse box and one battery, which was that one, but I bought two more of them, and they worked out pretty good, even though they were only 81 watt hours, or amp hours. But we'll get it. I'll upgrade them batteries later. So you guys take care. Welcome to the utility trailer converting to a camper. I'll show you what I've got done so far. I'm just doing it in steps. Right now I'm waiting on insulation. That's hard to get. But for those that are starting out doing it, I'll be getting into more detailed stuff here later on. But right now I'll just show you what I got, and I'll do a video of me taking some of the stuff off and putting up the insulation later. But when you get it, you get this mold in, take all that off, then you just start taking up your sheeting. Right here's what my trailer looks like when you get the molding off. Gaps there, gaps up there, and a lot of people, my trailer has the regular self-tapping screws. Some of them looks like they're Phillips screws, but they're not. They're like concrete nails. Also, when you get all your sheeting off, you can start insulating. But before you insulate, just make sure you get all your cracks and crevices. See, like over here, I'll try to zoom in. I'm going to redo this nose. This is an 8.5 by 16 foot V nose. I'm going to redo that. So now that it's daylight, this is why I'm going to redo the floor up to the wall on the nose, because that's a lot of fill. So I'm saying, when you guys for the first time doing this, you'll see the daylight around where they didn't seal everything. I'm not going to do too much caulking around this door, because eventually what I'm going to do in the spring is take this door out, and I'm going to get a camper door. They run about $700 something, but that's why I'm going to redo the nose later on, once I get the back part, because I got all this stuff up front. Then since I've been waiting on insulation, I went ahead and started putting the walls together on the back side. And as you see, I put the wood down on top of one another, so that way it's a better fit and not so many gaps. I just got a gap up there, but that's alright, because I'm going to run wire. That's what I'm using for my wire channel. Here's the ceiling, the fan. It's 3-speed out, 2-speed in, and it's also got a light. I got both of them hooked up temporarily to a battery. I had the windows and the ceiling fans installed professionally. Cost me about $800. So if you can do it yourself, you'll probably be better off, or if you got a buddy that does it. But so far, this is what I got done. And this is what it looks like down here, unshelled. Then pretty soon since I'll be waiting on insulation, I'll get into more of my power station here. I'll do it step by step, because not too many people got videos out doing it step by step, but this is what I got going so far. So we'll get back to that later. I gotta finish up hooking up a lot of stuff, so I got some of it already hooked, but I'll walk through it. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back.